And I forgot how nice it is to just be outside. It's been way too long since we've done something like this.
Yeah, it feels good. I swear, I spend all of my time cooped up inside, either at work or just watching TV. This is a nice change of pace.
The weather is perfect today, too. Not too hot, not too cold. It's like the universe is telling us to get out of the house.
Definitely. Honestly, I don't even remember the last time I actually just sat and did nothing. No phone, no emails, just being.
Yeah, it's a rare thing these days. Sometimes I think we've forgotten how to just relax. We're always so plugged in, always rushing somewhere.
I hear that. I was actually thinking about that the other day. How much time we spend scrolling throughout social media. Like we are connected to everyone, but at the same time, it's like we are disconnecting from everything around us.
Exactly. I mean, it's great to stay in touch, but I think sometimes we forget how to enjoy the real world, like this. Just sitting here watching kids play soccer, people walking their dogs, the sun setting. It's a different kind of connection, you know?
For sure. Honestly, I think we could all use more of these moments. Like that dog. It's not thinking about anything other than catching that frisbee. It's all about the here and now.
I wish I could live like that, just fully in the moment. No stress about the future or the past. Maybe I need to take a lesson from that dog.
Maybe just a little bit less strolling and chasing, but yeah, I get it. You know, I think we've been missing out on moments like this. Um, we need to do this more often. No plans, no agenda, just show up, hang out, and see where the day takes us.
I'm down for that. I don't even need to do anything big, just the simple stuff, like a walk through the park or grabbing some ice cream afterwards.
Now you're talking. Ice cream's the perfect end to a park day.
All right, next weekend, same time, same park, no excuses.
Deal. But this time, I'm picking the flavor. All right, man, I think it's time for that ice cream. I'm pretty sure I've earned it after just sitting here doing nothing for hours.
Hey, nothing wrong with a little nothing every now and then. But yeah, let's go. I'm already imagining the first bite.
So, what are you thinking? Classic chocolate, or do you want to get adventurous?
I might go for something wild today. Maybe mint chocolate chip or even pistachio. I'm in the mood for something a little out of the ordinary.
Pistachio? Ball choice. My friend, I think I'm sticking with classic. Maybe cookies and cream. You can never go wrong with that.
I mean, you do you. I'll probably regret pistachio, but I'm okay with that.
That's the spirit. Worst case scenario, we both get ice cream and a new flavor memory to laugh about later.
Exactly. Worst case scenario, I end up swapping with you, and we pretend I never ordered pistachio.
Hey there, what can I get you guys today?
I'll take a double scoop of cookies and cream, please.
Mm, huh. Okay, I'll go for pistachio. You're right. I have to try at least once, right?
You won't regret it, probably.
Here you go, gents. Enjoy.
Thanks. All right, moment of truth. Mark, how's the pistachio?
Okay, not bad. It's definitely different, but I think I can get behind it. Not as wild as I expected.
See? I told you it wasn't a bad choice. Now let's get back to that bench and enjoy before the sun sets.
Yeah, agreed. I think we've earned a good ice cream and a good spot to relax. That is the life.
Man, that was perfect. I don't think anything beats the combination of a good pork day and ice cream. I feel like I'm ready for a nap now.
That was exactly what I needed. And I think pistachio is growing on me. Who knew?
I'm glad it didn't run your day. I I guess I'll let you pick the next time. Maybe we'll go for something more adventurous, like mango or something.
Oh, mango. I like the sound of that. But hey, next time we'll make it a whole thing. We'll find the best part, grab the best ice cream, and actually make a whole day out of it.
Definitely. Let's just keep this going. No more waiting too long between our chill days. Life is too short to not have more of these.
Agreed. We'll get it on the calendar. But for now, I guess this is where we say goodbye.
Yeah, man, I had a blast today. Thanks for hanging out.
Anytime, dude. Same to you. Let's not let too much time pass before the next one.
For sure. Take care, Mark. Catch you soon.
Alright, later, Luke. Don't work too hard.